for today, we are making last-minute costumes. Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion Fridays. It's your host, Lindsey. And for today, we are making last-minute costumes. I took a trip to Justice and I got all the things I might need, some costumes, headbands, accessories. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I could not resist getting was this headband. Does anyone have any idea what this might go with? When you are going for a butterfly look, you can just wear this accessory and however far you want to go. You can do makeup, wings, an outfit. I'm just going to keep it pretty basic because I want the main focus to be my headband and my outfit. So for my makeup for the butterfly, I'm going to use some Justice palettes, just to kind of help. I'm going to do a little eyeshadow and a little glitter on my cheeks. And then I'm going to use some eyeliner just to draw some little wing looking things on the side of my eye. This costume would also be really cute if you did it with one of your friends and you were, for say, a butterfly and they were the catcher, or vice versa. Since we're already lightly glittered, let's go all the way. Look what I have here. This next costume is definitely a must-have for anyone who loves unicorns. So here is the set of the unicorn stuff. So first we have this tail. Look how cute it is, it's rainbow. And then we of course have some gloves. And then this really cute headband. For this look, I want a little extra pink and glitter. I'm really excited about this look, but I think I'm gonna jazz it up even more and add this wig. Thoughts? I just dyed my hair. So this next outfit doesn't need near the amount of accessories or makeup, but it's still really cute. Here it is. I saw it at Justice and had to get it. Now let's put it on.
Look guys, I'm a Neato burrito.
I think this costume is pretty neato. Burrito. Now, I'm hungry. If you think it's pretty neato to eat a burrito, give this video a big thumbs up. This next costume is inspired by my cat, Duchess. Say hi to everyone. This next last-minute costume is great, or should I say perfect, because I think most of us have cat ears. Or what you can do is just go to Justice and grab one of these cat sets. I love these ears in the pink accent. So I got some gloves and also a tail. It's so soft. I am working on some cool cat eyes here. Vote in the poll for your favorite costume. My eyes are complete. How much you want to accessorize or how much makeup you want to do is entirely up to you, and maybe what kind of party you're going to. Now we need our few little whiskers and we are ready. For our next last-minute costume idea, we have a butterfly catcher. Recently, I just got this jumpsuit at Justice, and I love it so much. It's so cute, but the khaki color, which is adorable, kind of reminded me of a safari or something, you get me? And I was thinking, how can this be turned into a costume? Last minute. And then I got it. What if I'm a butterfly catcher? I got a net, some butterflies, some boots. You see, we're all ready. With most of these costumes, accessories are key. They sell the whole look. So I got some little butterflies that is on these sticks. Also grabbed some boots. I got some binoculars, those are optional though. And then I got this net and put some of the butterflies inside it. I thought braids would go great with this look. Okay, so here is my costume. And I got a few of these random accessories at the dollar store. Got some fake butterflies, which are currently hanging off my neck. I'll have to fix those. And then some binoculars. And I feel like just added a lot more to the look. Let's go catch some butterflies.
Just a side note, no butterflies were hurt in this video. I would never hurt a butterfly. These are fake.
If you love butterflies, give this video a big thumbs up. So for my final and favorite costume, since plaid is so trendy this fall, it's a scarecrow. All you need for a scarecrow is pretty simple. You need a hat, some makeup, some straw, and a Justice flannel. I had a picture ahead that I looked at to kind of help me think of some makeup to go by. So I put my hair in braids and I have some scarecrow makeup in mind. And now time for the final touch. Wowie. How do you do? Now let's do some straw stuffing. It might be a little itchy, but it's worth it. I love this jacket with the trim around the collar. Hope my mom doesn't get mad at me for the straw on the floor. I'm gonna have to run like the vacuum or something. I hope this video shows that accessories can make or break an outfit.
Did I scare you? Yeehaw! How do you do?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope it gives you guys some ideas for some last second or just costumes this fall. Also, if you want more fashion and fun on your Fridays, be sure to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Wait, don't forget, smiles are always in fashion.